Wearables, as a perfect combination of intelligence and technology, has broad prospects for development. In recent years, a large number of advanced devices kept emerging. There are a variety of multifunctional wearables, has been much favored by young people. Many smartwatch manufacturers want to be more competitive in this promising market. Number one, as a wearable brand with its excellent design, independent software development, high-quality production and sales through three modes stands out in this industry. Number one was established in 2008. Located at Shenzhen, the capital of fashion and creative industry, is a modern high-tech enterprise which is specialized in achieving the integration of mobile communication terminal products, fabrication, selling, and customer service. Its main products are wearables such as smartwatches and smart bands. With its own independent design team, Number one is popular in both domestic and international users for its novel stylish appearance. Meanwhile, Number one has obtained a number of watch appearance patents. The company also has a professional software development department, which has developed a variety of smartwatches OS and a firmware for the Number one smartwatch. In the past 10 years, after exploring the wearable art, Number one has challenged the limitation of technology. It has built its enterprise culture, people-oriented technology innovation. The whole Number one team always insists that both appearance design and intrinsic utility are very important and also pays attention to the trends of high-tech intelligent products market. Number one is always willing to provide the best user experience and customer service. In this innovative and changing era of the smart wearable industry, Number one will adhere to its brand concept, always put the customers first to create more brand values.